In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell your stock inside of Webull. Now to do this, you want to make sure that you have a verified and opened account, and I believe you need to be in the US, Australia, or Canada for this to work. So make sure that you've done that, otherwise you cannot sell or buy stocks. Then what you want to do is either use the app or the desktop version, or you can just use the website version and head over to the web trader. Once you're in here, you want to select the stock that you want to sell. So once you log into your account, you should be able to see all of your stocks that you've bought if you head over to the left hand side. But let's just say that you have bought Apple and you want to sell this one. Then what you want to do is you can click on it and you will be able to sell it down here. So let me just go into a paper trading account to show you how it's going to look like. Now it's going to look like this, and as you can see, I'm on the Apple stock and I can simply press sell. Then what I can do is I can type in the order I want to do, market, limit, or stop limit, and then I can put the price if I'm on the limit order. So if I want to sell it at 211, I can type in 211, and once it hits 211, it's going to sell. You can also select the quantity that you want to sell, and that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.